Yo, what is up, everybody? Let me turn a little bit this way so you guys can see me a little bit better. But today I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I use with your braided line. Now, it's still in the box. It's sort of new. The box is a little ripped, but that's okay. This one comes with a little hole here. Some do, some don't. Don't worry about it if it doesn't. It's not going to ruin this little trick that I do. Now, I got a reel that I got to put line on, but I don't have any tools and nobody around. As you can see, I'm still on the dirt road. Nobody around. How am I going to use this to, put the line on? A lot of people ask me, just buy a tool, whatever. Look, this video is going to save you a lot of money. So check this out. The first thing you want to do is, take the line out and put it through here on the top here, or through the hole here. Okay, either way works. Now, if you have a car, truck, anything that shuts, any cases or whatever, you can use this top piece here, and pinch the door, close the door on it, and then wherever the line is going from, you just pull it out through the top. So I'm showing you guys without the hole, because then it will be cheating, but you can use the hole too if you want. Either way, just to line it up. So once you get that done, let's say you're at home, you can use your room door, bathroom doors, whatever type door. Like I said, whatever door that shuts, you can use a case. Just pinch it through and pull out the line, put it on the reel and reel it in like you normally do, and you set up your line like that. Hey guys, looking for an affordable and durable rod? Well, do yourself a favor and go check out Vexen Fishing at www.vexen.com.
Ooh, baby. That's a good 2.5 chunky monkey. Look at her. What is that?
If you do fish a lot and you're on the boat or maybe pond hopping and stuff like that, I'm going to show you a trick using a tool that everybody should have. If you're fishing, everybody should have this tool. Yeah, everybody should have one of these. This is a scale to weigh the fish. If you don't have a scale, this part is not for you. But if you're pond hopping, let's say you're pond hopping, you see a tree, you can hang this on a branch, or maybe if it fits on a trailer hitch, or if you have bungee cords and stuff, you can tie it somewhere to your boat. Now, it might be a little flimsy, so you might want to use, if you got a bungee cord or a rubber band that you can wrap around it, whatever the object you put, whether it's a tree, branch, or whatever, you use a bungee cord just to wrap it to keep it still. And then the same concept of pulling the line through the top, it works out. So guys, please click on that subscribe button if you want to see more of these little tricks. I'm going to do one every week, so I'm going to show you guys little tips and tricks like this that can help fishing a lot. Well, it can help you fish a lot easier when you're by yourself. All right, so subscribe and share this video, let everybody know. Link is below if you want to check out Vexen. Vexen is a rod company. You got these shirts and stuff, so check them out. You might like it. Tell them Hector sent you. This company, 75% of the profit they make go straight to the wounded veterans, sick children with like cancer and stuff like that. They do tournaments for sick kids. You guys, this company is awesome, so just check them out. I'm not asking you to buy stuff or whatever, but just go to the website. It's down below in the description. Click on it and you get to see, what they have to offer. You buy one, it's basically giving a charity and getting a rod back. All right, you guys, I see you guys next video.